Hi, what is up YouTubers? Thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you how to repaste your CPU and GPU in the Alienware 17 R4. So after a little bit of research, I ended up picking this uh, thermal paste for it. I'm going to start by removing the back panel of the laptop. So there are 6 screws in total, and then a 7th screw that you just undo and leave in there. Remove the back panel, disconnect the battery from the system. It's now safe to go ahead and remove the components. I'm gonna start with the SSDs. The hard drive, I upgraded this to a SSD, disconnected from this ribbon cable, and now we have all 4 drives removed. Remove the RAM sticks, and remove all the screws from the inner panel. You also have to remove the Wi-Fi card. Disconnect the LED light cable. Remove the 2 screws from the back. The back piece can slide off just like this. And this is gonna uncover more screws beneath. And remove the LEDs. There is one on each side. And then this panel is free to come off, just like this. Alright, so now we have access to the inside of the computer, and as you can see, it's quite dirty, so I'm gonna have to do a little bit of cleaning. I'm gonna just go ahead and use a low speed vacuum. So to remove this block, I count 8 screws in total. Maybe there is more. So let's go ahead and remove them. Alright, so with a little bit of wiggling, this came out quite easily, but there is something holding it down. I think it's the ribbon cables for the fans. So I'm gonna have to lift the motherboard in order to disconnect the fans. So let's go ahead and remove the board. Disconnect this right here. 4 screws with a little clip for the USB-C connector. And remove the CMOS battery. Let's go ahead and remove these ribbon cables. These are the keyboard, the trackpad, and other accessories. You want to be careful with them, they're easy to break. Now we have access to the motherboard, ribbon cable right here for the USB port. And now we can remove the heatsink block, just like this. As you can see, this is the whole block for the cooling system. Very nicely laid out. So the kit comes with alcohol pads for the cleaning. We're gonna go ahead and use that to get rid of the old thermal paste. The kit also comes with these paste applying tools that nobody really uses. So you can use that to scrape off the old thermal paste very carefully. If you have some alcohol, it's a good idea to apply some, just a little bit, to get it loose. Alright, so this is clean now, ready for the new paste. I was not able to get this one completely cleaned out. There is a lot of paste left on the sides right here. I don't want to scrape them off because there are micro resistors all along the side right here. The contact surfaces are clean, so that's good enough. So yep, let's go ahead and put on the new paste and put this back together. Here is the new paste. I'm gonna level that first, and then I'm gonna squeeze this out on the center of the CPU. Alright, so this is enough. And then on the graphic card, this is a GTX 1080 graphic card. Just this much. And as you can see, this is enough. When the heatsink sits, it's gonna go ahead and spread everything evenly. Then I'm gonna put the cap back on. This is reusable. And then I'm gonna go ahead and place the heatsink back on. It's kind of tricky to get the ribbon cables beneath. Align the screw holes, so I can go ahead and put the screws in. And As you can see, this block is back together. Now I'm gonna go ahead and connect the fans. Go ahead and put everything back together. Connect the battery, the back panel. Everything is back together. So now, as you can see, CPU and GPU repasted, new fresh thermal paste, ready to use for a couple of years again. So yeah, this is it on how to repaste the CPU and GPU in the Alienware 17 R4. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.